Sanibonani bafundi, igama lami nginguThandeka Okabekwa ovela kwikabekwa Mombo Publications. Namhlanje-ke sizokwenza umsebenzi wokuhluza, sihluza incwadi esihloko sithi Elokufa Alitsheli. Our focus for today's analysis is just the character that I found on chapter 1. Phambi kokuba siqhubeke, niyakhuthazwa-ke ukuthi those who are interested in getting a study guide with all the analyzed poems as well as this story in particular, Elokufa Alitsheli, they may contact us via our website and purchase their own copies of this book. And our website address is www.kabekwamombo.co.za. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel and like our work so we can be motivated and encourage you to produce more work that will help more and more students. Ngaphandle-ke kokuchitha isikhathi without wasting time, lezi yizakhi esivame ukuzibheka uma sihluza indaba, meaning these are the structures of analyzing a story. So we would look at isihloko sendaba, which is the title of the story. Then we look at isingeniso. We start analyzing isingeniso, which is the introduction, followed by abalingiswa, which are the characters. And then we move on to, isizinda, which is the place, time, as well as the lifestyle, isimo senhlalo. We also look at udweshu, which is the conflict, and we look at the cause of conflict, which is isisusa sodweshu. Then it is uvuthondaba, and which is the climax. After uvuthondaba, then we look at the ipola vuthondaba, which is the anticlimax, and obviously the conclusion. So those are all the elements of or the little components of analyzing a novel. Make siqale-ke ngokubheka isihloko sendaba. Isihloko sendaba is the title of the story. Sithini-ke isihloko salendaba? Isihloko sendaba sithi Elokufa Alitsheli. That is the title of the story. If you listen to isihloko, you will notice ukuthi it sounds incomplete. It starts with the word that describes a subject which is non-existent. So the subject is actually a noun, usuku, right? So igama elithi usuku, that is missing before the word eloguf. And then the next word is alitsheli. Alitsheli, it means the date or the actual day does not announce alimemezi usuku lokufa, so meaning the day of death. It does not, it comes unannounced. Alimemezi noma libiyizile. So how can we rephrase that isihloko? Or maybe singasibeka kanjani isihloko sethu? So amagama athi Elokufa Alitsheli achaza ukuthi akekho umuntu owaziyo uma esezoshona, which means no one knows when it is their time to die. Ngaphansi-ke kwesahluko sokuqala nakho esizokubheka uma sihluza indaba ngaphansi kwalesi sahluko. So under the first chapter, these are the things that we will look at as we unpack or as we analyze the story. We'll start with isingeniso, sizoqala ngesingeniso, which is the introduction. Silandele ngabalingiswa, then we'll follow by just covering abalingiswa, which are the characters, followed by udweshu, which is the conflict, and isisusa sodweshu, which is the cause of conflict, and then lastly we will have isizinda. Remember, we are just working on isahluko 1. So all of these things, they will stem or they will be based on izigameko. Izigameko are the incidents. Okay, let us now look at isingeniso. Make sibheke isingeniso, the introduction. At the introduction, noma kwisingeniso, umbhali usethulela abalingiswa babili ekuqaleni kwayo le ndaba. So, meaning the author introduces us to the two characters at the beginning of the story. Ngobanika amagama abalingiswa ababili esizwa ngabendabeni. Now, who are the names of these two characters that we get to hear about in a story? uMahlase kanye noVela. So bahlobene kanjani laba balingiswa? Hlobana means how are they related? It means relation. Laba balingiswa sithola ubaba kanye nendodana. Ubaba is the father and indodana is the son. Or we can say uyise nendodana if we want to. Singabuzwa ukuthi ke asichaze ke ubudlelwano balaba balingiswa babili. Ubudlelwano ke is different from ubuhlobo. So ubudlelwane is the relationship, how these people relate to each other, how they treat one another, do they respect one another, and all of those kind of things. So igama elithi ubudlelwano, it addresses the relationship between the characters. Ngoba sesazi ke ukuthi esingenisweni sesibatholile abalingiswa. Now that we know that from the introduction we were introduced to the characters, sesizobheka abalingiswa. We are now going to look at abalingiswa. Right. Every story has a person who is known as umlingiswa omkhulu. So umlingiswa omkhulu is the main character. Kube sekuba khona ke abanye abalingiswa, then there are other characters, and those characters are the ones abakhulisa indaba that helps the story to escalate, the incidents to escalate or the story to expand, ikhule indaba. So we may have abalingiswa abakhulumayo endabeni, meaning singaba nabalingiswa who are active, abakhuluma endabeni, and we may also have abalingiswa that we get to hear about, abalingiswa esizwa ngabo. So in this story as well, we can expect, especially in this chapter, we can expect the characters who will be engaging with one another, exchanging their thoughts, exchanging their words, and those characters are the active characters, abalingiswa abakhulumayo endabeni. Also in this chapter, we will get to hear about some other characters through these characters that are talking, that are having a conversation at the beginning of the story. Bangaki-ke abalingiswa esibathola kulesi sahluko. Kulesi sahluko sithola abalingiswa abane. How many characters do we find in this chapter? In this chapter, we are introduced to 4 characters. The first character being uMahlase, umlingiswa wokuqala. Siphinde sizwe ngomlingiswa ongumazwide, siphinde sizwe ngomlingiswa onguvela bahleke owaziwa ngegama elika Vela. Bese siphinda sizwe ngomlingiswa okuthiwa uBiza. Right. So yibo kabalingiswa ke esizwa ngabo kule ndaba ethi elokufa alitsheli kwisahluko sokuqala. Uma sihlehla kancane sibuyela kwisingeniso, when we go back just a little to the introduction, umbhalo usethulela abalingiswa babili, and we said those abalingiswa babili are uyise nendodana, right? So uma indaba iqala, laba babili bayaxabana noma bayalwa. At the beginning of the story, these two people, these two characters are having a fight. bayaxabana, meaning they are arguing, or bayalwa, and they end up fighting. Ubaba oxabana nendodana yakhe. It is the father who's having an argument and having a fight with his son, and his name, isibongo sakhe nguMahlasi. Umbhalo uphinda sethulele umlingiswa onguVela Bahleke, owaziwa ngegama lika Vela. Uyise-ke uyamshaya ngemvubu ngoba emthole ebhema umthunzi wezinkukhu awubizwa ngokuthiwa insangu, right? So we are introduced to Vela Bahleke, known as Vela, and his dad is beating him up because he caught him smoking ebhema umthunzi wezinkukhu. Umthunzi wezinkukhu is wheat, and umqondo fana for umthunzi wezinkukhu is insangu, and all of that is happening at Mahlasi's house. Njengoba sesazi-ke ukuthi ekuqaleni kwendaba umbhalo usethulela abalingiswa ababili, uVela kanye noMahlasi. Now that we know that we have been introduced to two characters at the beginning of the story, now we need to figure out how to identify the main character from the two of them. Simbona kanjani umlingiswa omkhulu? How do we identify the main character? Usually utholakale ekuqaleni kwendaba kanye nenkinga asuke ebhekene nayo. They usually found at the beginning of the story together with an issue or a problem that they are facing. Angazethula yena noma ethule ngomunye umlingiswa, meaning they may introduce themselves or they may be introduced by other characters. That depends on the author's creativity. Ukukhula kwendaba-ke nokuveza kwabanye abalingiswa kuvame ukuhambisana nendlela asuke ezama ngayo ukuthola isixazululo senkinga yakhe. So how the story grows or escalates or expands, and also how other characters nokuvezwa kwabanye abalingiswa, how other characters are introduced into the story. Kuvame, it usually ukuhambisana nendlela, it usually aligns with the way nendlela, the manner asuke ezama ngayo ukuthola isixazululo, the way in which the main character is trying to find a solution, ukuthola isixazululo, to reach a solution to the problem that they may be having, senkinga yakhe. Uvame ukuvela kuzona zonke izigameko ezenzeke endabeni. So umlingisi omkhulu, the main character, would usually appears, uvame ukuvela kuzona zonke izigameko, in all the incidents that occurs in the story. Uma indaba ibhaleke kahle, angasithola isixazululo senkinga yakhe noma yonke imizamo yakhe ibe yizeleze. So endabeni that is well written, the main character may find the solution. Angasithola isixazululo. Isixazululo is a solution to their problem. Noma yonke imizamo yakhe ibe yizeleze, or sometimes, depending on the author's creativity, all the efforts imizamo yakhe may be just in vain, ibe yizeleze. Okubalekile-ke uma uqoka umlingiswa omkhulu, what is important when you identify the main character, ukuba umfundi akwazi ukusekela ngelinye lamaphuzu abalwe ngenhla, meaning is for the students to substantiate using any of the points that are listed that we have mentioned above. Kusazwakala. Ngizonikhumbuza ke ukuthi ke lencwadi inama versions awu2. I will just remind you that this book has two versions. The other one, which is the original version, it does not have a UNISA logo, and then the second one has a UNISA logo. I would like to believe that the one with the UNISA logo at the back is the one that was used by UNISA to maybe analyze the book, as an institution as UNISA. But the original one, it does have a whole analysis that was done by the author himself. And from that one, he mentions that Uvela is the main character. And also, if we look at Uvela, he appears at the beginning of the story, and his problem is that his father is just beating him up because he found him smoking insangu emzini wakhe. And then in every from where we are, okay, so we can see Uvela trying to solve inkinga yakhe. And how is he solving his problem? Through visiting his friend. He's outsourcing usizo from Ubiza. So according to the first copy that has the analysis, which was done by the author himself, Uvela is the main character. You may find other reasons of maybe saying uMahlase is the main character, but as long as you substantiate, well, I guess begeke ukuthi uMahlase uvezwe kanjani. Let us look at how uMahlase is portrayed. Uyinhloko yomndeni wakwaMahlase, meaning he is the head of the Mahlase household. Ungumyeni kaMazwide, he is Mazwide's husband. Uyindoda enomthetho, so meaning he's a very strict man. Unolaga, he is also aggressive, or he's a no-nonsense kind of a man. Ukhulisa indodana yakhe ngesandla esiqinile, which means he raises his son, in a very strict. He's very strict in how he raises his son. Unodlame, meaning he is violent, and ushaya ingane yakhe ngenqindi. And at the beginning of the story, he even beats his child with his fist, and also imvubu, which is the shambok. Uyamhlonipha umkakhe futhi uyamlalela ezikhathini eziningi. He respects his wife, and he sometimes listens to her and does as she says, most of the times. But we know that there were other incidents where he blatantly refused to listen to his wife. Uyabahlonipha omakhelwane bakhe, meaning he respects his neighbors futhi uthanda ukuhlala nabo ngokuthula, and he likes to live in harmony with them. So nangaka amagama amasha siyabona lapha. Ulaga is short temper, isandla esiqinile, is tough, strict. Umkakhe unkosikazi wakhe, umyeni, and omakhelwane. So those are the new words that we have added on this slide. Ke umlingiswa onguVela Bahleke ukuthi yena uvelzwe kanjani. So Uvela Bahleke, at the beginning of the story, ubaba wakhe is even saying, your name is Vela Bahleke, which means when you show up, everyone should smile, should laugh, should be happy when people see you. But now, because of your disobedience, because of being ihlongandlebe, ingane engalaleli, maybe I should rename you and call you Vela Bakale, because when you show up, people are crying because they are losing izinto zabo, and wena uyingane engalaleli. So uyingane eyihlongandlebe engalaleli, he is a disobedient child. Umuntu onjani ihlongandlebe? Ihlongandlebe umuntu ongalaleli, someone who does not listen. Ubhema insangu, meaning he smokes weed, umthunzi wezinkukhu. Uyisela elintshontshela omakhelwane wembezi. So he is a thief, and he steals from the neighbors in Wembezi, which is the township where Mahlases live. Akahlali nabazali bakhe kubo ngoba akalaleli. So, and also at the beginning of the story, we discover that he does not even permanently live with his parents because of being a disobedient child. Ufunde Mtshezi High School kodwa usemdala. He goes or he studies at Mtshezi High School, but he's way too old to be in high school. Uyintandokazi kunina futhi uyamvuna. He is his mother's favorite and his mom spoils him. Uzwana nesigebengu esingibhiza futhi naye isigebengu esihlela ukubulala uyise. So he hangs out with a criminal by the name of Biza, and he is also a criminal himself because he's plotting to have his father killed. Uyamthanda kakhulu unina, which is uma wakhe. So he really loves, he adores his mother. Remember ukuthi somewhere in the story, when he tries to justify the reason why he wanted to have his dad killed, he said maybe he said he was certain that as they spoke, his dad is probably beating his mom because ubaba wakhe unodlame violent. So that shows ukuthi he cares about uma wakhe and he loves his mother as well. Uvezwe kanjani uMazwide? How is Mazwide portrayed? Uyinkosikazi kaMahlase, meaning she is Mahlase's wife. Ungumama kaVela. She's also Vela's mom. Uyayithanda kakhulu indodana yakhe futhi uyayivuna. So she really loves her son, and unfortunately she ends up spoiling him. Uyayivuna, ukuvuna umuntu, it means to spoil someone. uMahlase uyamhlonipha futhi uvame ukumlalela. Her husband Mahlase respects her and he usually listens to her. Akafuni uVela aqoshwe ekhaya. She doesn't want Vela to be kicked out of his home. So she is against that. But instead she says uthi akalulekwe, meaning uVela should be sat down and be given advice on how to conduct himself. Uyathanda ukuphilisana kahle nomakhelwane bakhe. So she also loves to live in peace and harmony with her neighbors. Remember ukuthi each time they came to complain about uVela having done something wrong, then she will convince uMahlase, uyamcela uMahlase ukuthi to fix the problem, ukuthi akalungise leyo nkinga. Make sibheke-ke ukuthi uvezwe kanjani uBhiza. Remember ukuthi uBhiza is introduced by uVela endabeni, nguyena osethulela yena. So ungumngane omkhulu kaVela futhi-ke unama-tattoos ezingalweni. He has tattoos on his arms. Uneminyaka engama-25. So his age is around 25 years of age. Futhi unguntanga kaVela. Untanga means they are same age group. Him and Vela are in same age group. Naye kufunde Mtshezi High kanye noVela. He also goes to Mtshezi High with uVela. You can see ukuthi naye he is very old to be in high school. Ubhema izidakamizwa futhi uhlala emkhukhwini. So he smokes drugs. He takes drugs. He's a drug addict. Futhi uhlala emkhukhwini, and he also lives in a shack behind, some house at his household. I think kubo kwaNgubane. So unesibindi ngoba wenza izinhlobo ezahlukene zobugebengu. So he is very brave because he does all sorts of criminality or criminal activities. Akanayo inkinga-ke yokubulala uMahlase. So he also indicated that he does not have a problem of killing uMahlase. Uzokhumbula ke ukuthi kukhona abanye abalingiswa abangakhulumi endabeni, meaning you remember that there are other characters who are not active in terms of engaging or speaking, but we get to hear about those characters. Angabo labo balingiswa. Balaka abalingiswa abane esizwa ngabo kulesi sahluko. So abalingiswa abane esizwa ngabo uMahlase, uVela, uMazwide noBhiza. Bese kuba khona ke omakhelwane bakwaMahlase, which are the Mahlase neighbors. Kukhona uNkwali, kukhona uMkankosi, uHlomuka. Bese kuba khona ke umngani kaBhiza esizwa ngaye futhi igama lakhe nguSikhulu. Uzokhumbula ukuthi labo makhelwane, they are the people who went to the Mahlases and complained about what uVela stole from them. uVela ke wantshontsha amateki Nike kaNkwali, waphinde wantshontsha amasondo emoto kaMkandozi, waphinde wantshontsha izinkukhu zikaHlomuka. uSikhulu ke yena ke is the guy who will provide isibhamu noma ithuluzi that will assist in the killing of uMahlase. Senzeke umsebenzi, let us do an activity. So there are a couple of questions, a couple of long questions that are mostly in line with the analysis. So I'm going to start with umbuzo qala, the question in blue that says chaza ubuhlobo phakathi kwalaba balingiswa, meaning you can just have your notebook, your revision book, where you will be writing all your revision so that it's not too much when you start preparing for your prelims or for your exams. So you will have to just look at the characters that are found in chapter 1 and explain ubuhlobo. Ubuhlobo, remember, it's the relation, right? How is uVela related to ubabwake? How is he related to unabuphi ubuhlobo noma wakhe, unabuphi ubuhlobo noBhiza? All right. And then the second question says chaza ubudlelwano phakathi kwalaba balingiswa, bhala amaphuzu amabili ngomlingiswa ngamunye. So with all the characters that are found in chapter 1, please just explain how the relationship, ubudlelwano. Ubuhlobo is the relation, ubudlelwano is the relationship. And then bhala amaphuzu amabili, right? Just 2 points per, per set or per pair of characters. So these characters, kuzoba uVela and another character, uVela and another character. And how are they related? Or maybe the characters just amongst themselves. Just compile your own notes azokusiza in the future. Omakhelwane babesola uVela ngokuntshontsha, ubizwa ngani umuntu ontshontshayo? So the neighbors, omakhelwane, were suspecting babesola uVela for stealing umntshontsho. Now the question is, ubizwa ngani umuntu ontshontshayo? What do we call a person who steals? You should know. If you don't know, then find out and learn. Umbuzo landelayo chaza ukuvezwa kwabalingiswa. We've just covered how the characters are portrayed. Vezwa kwabalingiswa, how characters are portrayed. uVela, uMahlase, uMazwide, uBhiza. At least no 2 points per character. Then the last question is wabantshontshela ini uVela labo makhelwane? What is it that uVela stole for these neighbors? Bhala igama likamakhelwane nento ayantshontshela yona. So meaning write the name of the neighbor and what was stolen from them. Or this question may be rephrased like this: chaza amacala kaVela abandakanya uNkwali, uMkandosi noHlomuka. Explain amacala, it's the the wrongdoings, okay, zikaVela that involved abandakanya uNkwali, uMkandosi noHlomuka. And I think this information is just sufficient. You know what the story is about, but when it comes to the analysis, the long questions, we are covered with chapter 1. Ngiyabonga-ke bafundi ngokungiboleka indlebe. Ngiyethemba ukuthi nifundile okubili nokuthathu that will benefit you kuma exams enu. Thank you so much. My name is Thandeka Ogabekwa from Gabekwa Mombo Publications. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share and tell your friends and your friends' friends about what we do on this channel. Ni sale kahle.